Hey guys, it's Rachel and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I'm going to be doing a little unboxing for you guys. I know I suck at these unboxings, but please be patient with me. I'm really super excited for this unboxing because a couple weeks ago, or like about a month or two ago, I ordered a collector's box from Hot Topic for Supernatural, and I finally just now got it in. And I put up a poll on my social media asking if you guys wanted me to go ahead and open the box or if you wanted me to wait and film a video. And you all said to wait and film the video. So now, that's what I'm doing. And just fair warning, I suck at these, so beware. First thing I see is the box, and let me tell you, the box is absolutely beautiful. It has the fingerprint on it, and if you probably won't show up on camera, but there's like a little devil on it, there's crows. I'm super happy about it. Is there anything on the back? Yes there is. There's the little devil's trap that was on at Bobby's house. I don't know if that's the same one or not, but yeah. And this was built by Culturefly.com, and I've never heard of them, but I'm definitely going to go check them out after this video, and you guys should as well. Oh, that's so cool. Okay, well, silica thing. Don't need that. But like, just like, I'm not going to show you what else in the box yet, but just like look at like this top cover. It's amazing. And it has like, the Instagram link for it. It's at @supernaturalbox and #supernaturalbox, www.culturefly.com, and it's so amazing. Oh my gosh. So this says Sucrocorp, which is a syrup dispenser. It's like those syrup canisters you'll find at like IHOP or something. Like, look at that. That's so cute. You open it like this. And Supernatural, hand wash only, and of course it has Sucrocorp on it. That's so awesome. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to use this. I don't really eat pancakes or waffles that often, but like I'm pretty sure I'll find some other use for this. I found a Crowley collectible vinyl, and that's so cute. Oh my gosh, it's amazing. I suck at these unboxings, but you have to deal with it. I don't know, I'm just not like good at describing stuff at all. And like, the thing is, I'm super excited about this stuff. I know it doesn't look like it, but I am. I'm just not good at expressing my excitement outwards. I'm good at expressing it internally. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is really good for me, even though I don't need any more of these because I have like a whole Supernatural jewelry box over there. But I got the charm bracelet with an anti-possession charm, and I got Ruby's demon blade necklace. Look at that. That's so cool. I can't wait to wear that demon blade one. God, and that attention to detail is amazing. Oh my gosh, it's literally a anti-possession temporary tattoo. That's so funny. Oh my gosh. Whenever I'm old enough, and by old enough I mean like next year or something like that, I'm gonna try and convince my dad to let me get this tattoo, like right here or something. Came with 4 of them. That's awesome. Oh my god. I think this is a pillowcase. So like a really cool Supernatural pillowcase. It has Sam and Dion and Cassidy and Crowley. That's so cool. And then the same design is on the back. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. For those of you guys who don't know, I actually really like collecting pillows. Like I have like those sequin pillows, and I have like really fun pillows. So this will be super fun for me, and I could add it. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is a t-shirt. Well, it looks super duper plain up on the front, but then you get to the back and you see this. That's so amazing. So it's like the anti-possession symbol with wings, and it says salt and burn. That's so amazing. And I got this in a medium, which it looks like it's a wee bit too big for me, but like that's okay because like, last thing is this Join the Hunt King of Hell like poster thingy. I'm not exactly sure if it's a poster, but it looks like one, and I'm so excited to hang this up in my room even though I don't have enough room for it. I promise you I can and will find some place to put this, and that's so amazing. It's just amazing to me how somebody can be able to come up with these ideas and like throw it all in a collector's box and stuff like that. I really do plan on like doing more collector's box stuff, even if it's like Supernatural or some other stuff. I'm trying to like find some like websites that I can like subscribe to and do stuff like that because I feel like it'd be really awesome. And I'm like super interested in stuff like this, and I don't really get the chance to do it often, but I really would like to do it more often. So I'm super duper happy with all the items I've got, and I cannot wait to use them. Like, it's gonna be so amazing. I really love Supernatural. I've been watching the show since I was 4 years old, and I'm still watching it today. And like, I'm like even wearing Supernatural right now. I'm wearing my like the Road So Far tank top. I have 2 of them, but I've got the newest one. I'm wearing like Dean's necklace and stuff. And even like the eyeshadow and stuff I've used my Supernatural makeup palettes. I love Supernatural so much. It is my favorite TV show. Like, it is my life, and I love it so much. And I've been like super behind on like season 14. Yeah, 14. I about said 15, but they did renew Supernatural for season 15. Yay! But I'm super behind on season 14, although because of the internet, I already know everything that happens because I just can't bring myself to unfollow all of my favorite accounts for even a little bit, even if it spoils everything for me. So even though the last episode I watched, I believe, was episode 5 of season 14. So yeah, I'm very far behind, but like, yeah, it's super amazing. I'm super happy with all of this. I'm not good at speaking at all. I'm not great at words, so I'm gonna let you guys go. I really hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. I really know that I suck at these, but I promise you I'll try and get better at them. I really don't know how you can try and get better at them, but I'm going to. And I just love every single thing in this box, and you're going to be seeing me posting pictures of it on my social medias. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. I love you all very much. I'm really trying to get back into the swing of filming things. Like, I've already filmed a video with Maddie, but that video is like an hour and a half long, so I have to figure out how to cut that down. This end of the February, I am going to a youth thing called Shabak. It is, I don't know how to explain it. If any of you guys have heard of Winterfest, it's like a mini version of that. It's basically where churches take their youth and they go to it, and it's like this big worship service with a whole bunch of teens, and it's super amazing. This is like my 2nd or 3rd year going to Shabak. I've been to Winterfest like once or twice, and we didn't really like Winterfest, so we go to Shabak, and Shabak is an amazing time. During our free time, we stay at our cabin, we do bonding exercises, and we like go out and have fun. We go to a trampoline park, and we go to the mall and stuff like that, and that's super amazing. So if you guys would like me to film any of that, or just like buy stuff like I did last year and bring it back and show it to you guys, I will do that. Just leave me your answer down in the comments below, and very much. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, I'm sorry for it sucking if it did, but I promise you I'll get better at it. And I'm pretty sure that's it. Until next time, don't forget to stay happy, stay you, and spread peace and love. Okay, bye! My voice cracked super high at that last one, dear Lord.